Hello! Say hi, Ashley. What's up, guys? It's Walter and Ashley back here, Kiriko Taiko practice. We missed a week because it was a national holiday. The community center was closed, but we are back in action tonight. So we've been practicing the uchi-dashi and the Rhythm-uchi 3 rhythm. And Ashley's getting pretty good. What happened? Are you okay? She fell down. Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate that for you, and hope you guys enjoy it. And here we go. All right, let's play.
Yay!
You don't have to scream in the camera. Okay, let's go. All right. Okay, ready? Hi, yoroshiku. Okay, 3 times. 3回ね。3回, 3 times. Okay? はい、構えて。朝、はいやOkay, okay. Pretty good, Ashley. High five. Leaving me hanging. Okay, all right, okay. All right, so, pretty good, pretty good. It's interesting teaching Ashley because she has a pretty good year. You know, we had a 2-week break, and last practice, she could not get, you know, some of the uchi-dashi rhythms, but she has it down pat, you know. I guess, you know, sometimes when you wait and just let the rhythms, you know, soak into your system, you know, magic can happen. And really, really impressed, okay? So for you guys watching the video, feel free to practice with us, you know. I started teaching Ashley. She knew nothing about Taiko, about Kiriko Taiko, and it's been about a month and a half, and she's able to get to this point. And I think that just the consistency, every Monday night for a couple hours, just drilling, having fun, talking, taking breaks, and just like doing things, this and that together. And you know, just daddy and daughter time, it's really, really precious as well. So, okay guys, sorry if I'm rambling, but thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video next week. Bye-bye. Peace. Say bye. Okay.